Welcome to the channel TechDevil. This is gonna blow your mind. In today's hyperconnected world, our smartphones have become indispensable companions. We rely on them for everything from communication and entertainment to productivity and navigation. As our dependence on these pocket-sized devices continues to grow, so too do our expectations for their capabilities. We crave faster processors, sharper displays and more sophisticated cameras, constantly pushing the boundaries of what these devices can achieve. This insatiable desire for cutting-edge technology is driven by several factors. Firstly, there's the simple human desire for the latest and greatest gadgets. We get a thrill from owning devices that boast the most advanced features and outshine the competition. Secondly, as technology rapidly evolves, we need devices that can keep pace with our increasingly demanding lifestyles. We rely on our smartphones to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, seamlessly switching between apps and streaming high-quality content without a hitch. In this ever-evolving technological landscape, smartphone manufacturers are locked in a fierce battle to capture the attention and wallets of consumers. The Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra is the latest contender in this high-stakes arena, boasting an impressive array of features designed to satisfy even the most discerning tech enthusiast. Asus, a Taiwanese multinational company renowned for its computer hardware and electronics, has been steadily making waves in the smartphone market. The Zenfone series targets a broader audience, aiming to provide a premium smartphone experience without breaking the bank. The Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra is the latest iteration in this lineage, and it's clear that Asus has pulled out all the stops to create a device that commands attention. From its sleek design and cutting-edge processor to its impressive camera system and long-lasting battery, the Zenfone 11 Ultra aims to deliver a flagship experience in every aspect. So, buckle up as we embark on a deep dive into the world of the Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra, exploring its strengths, weaknesses, and its potential impact on the smartphone landscape. In an era dominated by social media and visual content, the camera has become one of the most crucial aspects of any smartphone. The Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra understands this assignment, boasting a camera system designed to capture stunning photos and videos in any situation. At the heart of the Zenfone 11 Ultra's camera setup is a triple lens system, headlined by a high-resolution primary sensor. This sensor promises exceptional clarity and detail, capturing images that are rich in color and dynamic range. Complementing the primary sensor is a wide-angle lens, allowing you to fit more of the scene into your shots. Asus has also included a telephoto lens, enabling you to zoom in on distant subjects without sacrificing image quality. The Zenfone 11 Ultra also packs some serious software processing power, utilizing AI algorithms to enhance your images and videos. These AI-powered features range from scene detection and automatic image optimization to portrait mode enhancements and night mode capabilities. The goal is to make smartphone photography effortless, allowing you to capture professional-looking results without needing to be a photography expert. Let's talk about the engine room of this beast, the processor. The Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra is powered by the latest and greatest chipset available, delivering blazing fast performance that can handle anything you throw at it. This powerhouse ensures a smooth and responsive experience, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking between demanding applications. Asus has optimized the Zenfone 11 Ultra's software and hardware to work in perfect harmony, maximizing performance while minimizing battery drain. Benchmark tests reveal that the Zenfone 11 Ultra outperforms many of its competitors in both single-core and multi-core performance. Gamers, in particular, will appreciate the phone's ability to handle graphically demanding games with ease, delivering high frame rates and immersive gameplay. This level of performance ensures that the phone remains snappy and responsive even after prolonged use, making it a reliable companion for even the most demanding users. In the world of smartphones, a device is only as good as its battery life. Recognizing this, Asus has equipped the Zenfone 11 Ultra with a massive battery designed to keep you powered up from morning till night. Asus has also implemented intelligent power management features that optimize battery consumption based on your usage patterns. Heavy users can expect to comfortably get through a full day of use on a single charge, while moderate users might even squeeze out a day and a half. And when it's time to recharge, the Zenfone 11 Ultra supports fast charging technology, allowing you to quickly top up the battery and get back to your day. The Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra isn't just a powerhouse, it's a looker too. Asus has paid meticulous attention to detail, crafting a device that's both stylish and functional. The phone exudes a premium feel with its sleek lines, slim profile, and high-quality materials. The Zenfone 11 Ultra boasts a stunning edge-to-edge display that dominates the front of the device. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and viewing angles are excellent, making for an enjoyable visual experience from any angle. The Zenfone 11 Ultra is equipped with the latest generation of Corning Gorilla Glass, providing exceptional resistance to scratches and cracks. The high refresh rate provides a noticeable improvement in responsiveness and visual clarity. Hardware is only one part of the equation when it comes to a great smartphone experience. The software that powers the device is equally important, shaping how you interact with the phone and its various features. The phone runs on the latest version of Android, providing a clean and intuitive user interface that's easy to navigate. Asus has also kept bloatware to a minimum, pre-installing only a handful of essential apps and services. However, Asus has also added its own custom skin on top of Android, which, while offering some additional features and customization options, can also feel a bit heavy-handed at times. Despite these minor software quirks, the overall user experience on the Zenfone 11 Ultra is generally positive. The high refresh rate display further enhances the experience, making every interaction feel smooth and fluid. The smartphone market is a fiercely competitive landscape, with each manufacturer vying for a piece of the pie. To truly understand the Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra's place in this ecosystem, we need to compare it to its rivals and see how it stacks up against the best of the best. In terms of raw processing power, the Zenfone 11 Ultra is a top contender, going head-to-head with flagship devices from Samsung, OnePlus, and Xiaomi. Benchmark scores reveal that the Zenfone 11 Ultra holds its own, delivering performance that's on par with, if not slightly better than, some of its more established rivals. When it comes to camera capabilities, the Zenfone 11 Ultra's triple lens system puts up a good fight. Battery life is another area where the Zenfone 11 Ultra excels. Its large battery, coupled with intelligent power management features, ensures that the phone can easily last through a full day of heavy use. In terms of design and build quality, the Zenfone 11 Ultra holds its own, with its sleek aesthetics, premium materials, and solid construction. Pricing is a crucial factor in any smartphone purchase decision. The Zenfone 11 Ultra continues this trend, positioned as a more affordable alternative to some of the more expensive flagship smartphones on the market. While the exact pricing may vary depending on the region and storage configuration, the Zenfone 11 Ultra generally retails for a price that's noticeably lower than comparable devices from Samsung, Apple, and Google. This aggressive pricing strategy makes the Zenfone 11 Ultra an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers who are looking for a premium smartphone experience without breaking the bank. In the case of the Zenfone 11 Ultra, Asus has managed to strike a compelling balance, offering a device that packs flagship-level specs and features at a price that's more accessible to a wider range of consumers. After dissecting its features, analyzing its performance, and comparing it to the competition, it's time for the million-dollar question. Is the Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra a triumph or a letdown? The Zenfone 11 Ultra is undeniably a powerful device, packing flagship-level specs and features that can rival the best in the business. Its processor is a beast, capable of handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. Its battery life is impressive, ensuring you can stay connected and productive throughout the day. And its camera, while not quite reaching the pinnacle of smartphone photography, is still capable of capturing stunning images and videos. Ultimately, the Zenfone 11 Ultra's success hinges on its competitive pricing. It offers a compelling combination of performance, features, and affordability that's sure to appeal to a wide range of consumers. If you're looking for a powerful and feature-packed smartphone that doesn't break the bank, then yes, it's a resounding triumph. The Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra, with its impressive specs and aggressive pricing, offers a glimpse into the future of smartphone innovation. It highlights the trend of delivering flagship-level experiences at more accessible price points, making cutting-edge technology available to a wider audience. Manufacturers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, exploring new technologies and form factors to create even more powerful, versatile, and immersive devices. We can expect to see continued advancements in processing power, with chipsets becoming even faster and more energy efficient. Camera technology will also continue to evolve, with sensors becoming larger and more sophisticated, capable of capturing even more detail and light. The future of smartphones is bright, with devices like the Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra paving the way for a new era of innovation and accessibility. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews and updates. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. And while you're here, why not check out some of our other videos? On the left we have a video suggestion just for you, placeholder for video suggestion 1. And on the right, you can explore another exciting tech review, placeholder for video suggestion 2. Click the subscribe button in the center to stay updated with our latest content, placeholder for subscribe button. See you in the next video.